Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this 40-inch full lace faux loc wig that I made in my last video using some hair that I got from Janet Collection. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You don't have bumps and obstacles along the way. You just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you'll miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be installing the 40-inch full loc wig that y'all see me make in my last video. This wig right here. I'm so excited. You know what's crazy? I've never put on a full lace wig before. So I am so excited.
I'm so excited!
So anyways, if you haven't checked out our last video, go ahead and click card or check my description box below. There's a link for it. But this full loc wig was made with this hair that was sent to me by Janet Collection. This is their knowledge Tress 2-time or 2 plus or 2, basically saying I got 2 bundles of Curl Bay 4B. This is in 24 inches. Shout out to Janet Collection for sending me this here. So first of all, I still have my braids from my crochet install. I just took a loose the front part, so I'm gonna go ahead and braid that back so that I could install this wig. And I wanted my wig to lay flat as possible. So like I said, the back half of my hair was already braided down. So I went ahead and did 12 small braids in this front section. Now when I was done braiding all my hair down, I went ahead and tinted the lace of the wig so that it could match my skin a little bit better using my She Is Bomb Collection tinted foam. All the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box below if you're interested. But this full lace wig has like an elastic lace material for the center, so I put the foam on top of the outside of the wig where that material was, and then where the Swiss lace was, I put it on the inside of the wig. Once I was done rubbing all of that in, I went ahead and set it underneath the dryer until it was completely dry. And this is how it looked when it was done drying. Then I went ahead and grabbed my Nest QG waterproof lace glue and put that on my hairline. Now y'all can see my hairline look a little crazy. That's because I started recording this video and then I fell asleep and I had to wake up and finish it. So yeah, I told y'all already I'll be recording these videos late night. So yeah, that's the first layer of the hair glue that I'm using. And if you're interested in this product, it's also a Black woman owned business as well as the She Is Bomb Collection products I'm using. So be sure to check them out in my description box. Alright, so now that I put the 2 layers of the glue on and let it dry clear, I went ahead and pressed the lace into my hairline. I didn't do a ball cap or anything because I didn't feel like it, and yeah, I didn't need to. So once I was done putting that glue down and setting the lace into my hairline, I went ahead and tied it down, and then I went and sat underneath the dryer. And once I was done drying, I went ahead and cut the lace off in a little zigzag type motion as usual. Now once I'm done cutting the lace, I'm going to go ahead and loose out the braid that I had when I braided down the baby hairs. I'm not going to be cutting these baby hairs. I'm going to leave them long and full as they are. And now that I'm done loosening out the edges, baby hairs, whatever you want to call them, I'm going to go ahead and tie them down again so that the wig can stay secure while I'm styling the edges. I'm going to go ahead and use my flat iron, and I'm going to grab like piece by piece and curl away from my face to create like these big dramatic like fluffy type baby hairs. Oh yeah, and if you haven't noticed, I did not glue down the back of the wig because I'm not going to wear this like up in a high ponytail. So I just used a little comb that was in the back, and I just glued down the front. Maybe I will glue it down in the future, but right now with this Florida heat, I don't think so. Alright, so now that I'm done curling the edges, and let me tell y'all, I'm already loving how this wig is looking. But we are not done with the install. Now that I'm done curling the edges, I'm going to go ahead and like style them a little bit so they just won't be like curls on the side of my face. So I got my She's Bomb Collection Bomb Glue Gel on the tip of my comb, and I'm just like laying down like the very beginning of the edge. Like, I don't really know how to explain it, but if you pay close attention, you'll be able to understand what I'm doing. I'm leaving the curl, but like I'm laying the beginning of the edge so they could like have some type of direction, some form, you know? And then when it's laying like how I want it to lay, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down again. Like, your wig can never be too secure, sis. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down again and go underneath the dryer. And this is what the wig is looking like so far, y'all. But I'm not even done. To make the wig look a little bit more natural and to define these parts, I went ahead and grabbed my concealer, LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. And to like make sure that I wasn't putting too much makeup on, I just dusted like with the brush or whatever makeup was on there. That's what I rubbed on. I didn't squeeze any more product out. And this is the finished look. Yeah, I love how this wig turned out. Out of all the wigs that I've made and sold, like, I don't think I've ever done a wig with this size locks, this color. Like, I don't know what's up with y'all, but y'all don't be ordering no colors, but it's fine. If you're interested in your own faux lock wig, y'all already know what to do. Go to stylesbyhoney.com. If you want to see more pictures and videos, go ahead and check me out on Instagram at stylesbyhoney with 2 Y's, Pinterest at stylesbyhoney, and on TikTok at stylesbyhoney.
I took a couple, I took some time off to rest, and now it's game time, bitches. You have no idea.
I want to give a big shout out to Jenna Collection for this Curl Bay 4B hair that I used to make this wig. And if you haven't already seen that video of me making this 40-inch faux lock wig using the Janet Collection Curl Bay 4B hair, go ahead and click the card, and there's a link for it in my description box below if you're interested. So big shout out to them, and I want to give a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. I love y'all so much. Mwah.
I would say trust the process, but this finna come out ugly. This finna come out a hot mess. Yeah, nah. This is not a process you should be trusting. And you're like still here. For what? Why are you still here? Girl, if you don't scroll and go do something else, what is you still here for? Like, seriously, we look crazy.